Hey, tech lovers. Welcome back to Future PHONE Flash. If you're all about the latest in mobile tech, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today, we're talking about something huge. Samsung's upcoming release of their newest foldable smartphones, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's unfold the details. Launch details. Samsung is gearing up for a big reveal this July, with the launch of two exciting models in their foldable lineup, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6. With the official launch just around the corner, anticipation is building, and Samsung is putting the finishing touches on these much-awaited devices. Production preparations. Preparations for the Galaxy Z Flip 6 are in full swing. Samsung has chosen Econy to handle all back-end processing for the ultra-thin glass that's key to this device's design. Meanwhile, for the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung is sticking with Daewoo Insys, continuing their partnership to produce the high-quality, ultra-thin glass we've come to expect. The ultra-thin glass process. The process behind the ultra-thin glass is fascinating. Service providers like Econy and Daewoo Insys start with a glass substrate, thin it out, and then precisely cut it to fit the displays of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6. This glass not only makes the devices look sleek, but also supports their unique foldable functionality. Supply chain insights. Let's take a quick look at the suppliers. Samsung sources the glass substrates from Corning for the Galaxy Z Flip and from Schott for the Galaxy Z Fold. These partnerships ensure that Samsung's foldables are equipped with top-tier materials, reinforcing the premium quality of their devices. Outro. And that's your sneak peek at what Samsung has in store for us with their new foldable phones. What are your thoughts on the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6? Are you excited about these new additions to the foldable phone market? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Future PHONE Flash. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech news flash.